when the brakes on both sides are in the braking state. This switch, when the driving switch is not adjusted properly, when the machine is turned on, a brake symbol will appear. For example, when it is turned on, there's a sign for this brake. You don't have this motivation. For example, turn the handle. The handle is not available. The handle has no power. Long press this cart button. Have no power. Then this pedal. There is no such help. It's also unmotivated. There's no motivation. In this case, you judge this brake, left and right brakes, this adjustment. There's a problem. Need to adjust. If when you don't know, neither side knows. If you don't know which side has the problem, you can adjust both sides. For example, I'll adjust it now, such as directional screws. This screw, exit and return outside. Step back. Push outside. Then I pushed a lot. The logo is still here. That means there is no problem here. Then take a look here again. Also push outside. Keep pushing outside. Just keep pushing outside. Okay, when you kick it in place, this brake disappears. What happens when the brakes disappear? Then the car is normal. The car will be fine. It just has to be done. You're looking for one of these 8mm ones. Adjust this screw on both sides. Just push the screw outside. If there is a braking state, push out from both sides. Just push until that secondary net disappears.